back to another video. Now this one is a special one. I'm here at Janine's Iron and Washing Museum. So this is a museum with lots of washing and soap stuff in here. So I'm going to take you through this. I'm going to show you history like I've never seen before. So I'm just going to switch this around and I'm going to show you everything. Just get inside here. This is in memory of Janine. So here are a few photos of her. Lovely, lovely photos. It sounds like she was a lovely lady. Her parents started this for her. Okay, I'm just going to take off. I'm the only one in here. Me and my son, they are actually very nice for allowing us here on our own. But okay, this is absolutely amazing. I'm just going to take you through this place. I'm going to end with the soap stuff. It is lots of ironing stuff, lots of washing machines. This is history that is literally ancient. And then I'm going to end up with the soap making supplies. And old soap here or soap that is older than I am. So it's very interesting. So let's just jump right into this. We've got steam irons here from 1940. Okay, and the 1900s, electrical irons here. These are from Germany. It seems like it's made from ceramic. Old handheld washing machines. Amazing, amazing stuff. Let's just go around on this side. The most amazing things that you can find in here. So we've got all the ironing stuff in here. And stuff that they used to make shoes with. So there we go up there. Lots of shoe and stockings. Stuff that they used to make stockings as well. This, I think this was an old Alna press kind of thing. Here we've got one here as well. And I've got hat making equipment here as well. Let me show you here. They've got wooden heads with stuff around them. So I would have loved to see how they make this in real life. Clippers, ancient, so you can cut your hair as well. And here we've got lots of interesting things. Hairpins, bobby pins, safety pins, all kinds of pins and stuff that they used here. Then the interesting irons, how they actually have different stamps and stuff. Then you get different sizes. Imagine that. Number 1 iron all the way up to, you can go up to number 10. Yeah. Oh, boxing gloves. I know this is not all soaping related, but this is just too interesting not to share with people. Look at these hangers. Go around this side. They use this to wring out the clothing after you washed it. You just rolled it between the rollers. Okay, this one is actually an ironing model that you can iron your clothes with. There's your music, background music on ironing day and washing day. Mangle boards to smooth stuff. I'm not sure what you do with a mangle board or how you use it, but there's a mangle board. Okay, here, all sorts of small little trinkets. Singer, tiny little singer machines, sewing machines that actually works. I remember when I was a child I had something similar. Not as old, but look here, this is interesting stuff. Oh, and here, how to keep your irons warm. You have this little tiny oven that you actually put your irons next to it to heat them up. Very interesting. Okay, here is some. These I can remember, you put it on the fire and you clipped it over a base and then you can clip it off again. So this is a clip model. There's your little clip there on top. You can just swing it and you lift it out and you put it back in there again. Okay, now this side is where we start to look at the washing machines, and then we're going to get at the soap stuff. Look at this. Reinhard, I need you to stand next to the, I don't even know what you call it in English, but this is huge. They would have stoked fires that was huge here. A bellow. They call it a bellow. There we go. Antique blacksmith bellows. But this is huge. I've got the tiny small one that my husband used to make start his fire. Okay, and here we get at the soap side. We've got ancient old soaps here. There we go. Snow foam, sunlight soap, and how to use it. Very interesting. Different kinds of laundry soap. Okay, polish, liquid veneer polish. And here is more soap. Reckitt's Blue. We still find this sometimes in some places here. I like to make my laundry soap with blowsil, as we call it here, robin starch. Okay, and here we go. Very interesting. This is tallow soap. I want to show you this. Here we traditionally call it boerseep, 1930. I was born in 1973, so this is quite a few years older than I am. Here are some old ancient soaps in a box here as well. Box of soap from the early 1900s. So it was manufactured by a Johannesburg company from that time. So this is also made from animal fats. Ancient. Okay, and this is how they sold potassium in a tin. Can you believe it? Today we don't want to touch any metal at all. Okay, Crystal Acoustic brand of soda from England, all the way from England, here in South Africa. Can you believe it? More old buckets of soap. Yeah, and then how they cook the soap. So they did hot process soap. Yeah, all the cooking stuff that they used for it. Love it there. And here is more old pieces of soap. Soap history. Oh, check. Washing cream. Can you believe that they had washing cream those days? And there we go. Up. Look at that iron. Reinhard will love that one. Everything with a dragon in it. Okay, now I've got some lights reflecting here on the glass as well, but there's some more ideas. 3 cents for a bar of soap, 7 cents. And it was a huge block of palm olive there. And there we go. So yeah, this is the museum here in Cape Mossel Bay area. This is a antique fruit peeler. I don't have the slightest idea how. Oh, okay, you're gonna pin something there on the end, and I'm not 100% sure how it works. Here's another ancient torture device. They use this to remove maize kernels, a milli on pit machine. So you had to put a head of corn in there, and somehow along the line you must twist something. I don't know where they're gonna. Yeah, you had to crank it. It will take off the millipips somehow. I don't know where it's gonna spit it out. But yeah, and here we've got a wooden wash trough. Early 1800s with a washing board. There we've got. So yes, there is so many things to show you guys here. I will talk for hours. There's a spindle. Ah, I missed something. I must show you this. We all love our soap cutters. You must see this thing. It is amazing. Look there. It's an old ancient soap cutter. This is how they've cut their soap many, many years ago. Look at there. Tiny little feet. The whole thing made of metal. 1900s. Guillotine to cut the boersjeep because boersjeep is very, very hot. Okay, and that was a tour of the wash museum with all the washing machines and so on. Thank you for spending time with me and coming with me on this historical moment. I hope you enjoyed it like I enjoyed it here, and happy soaping until I see you guys next time again. Keep well.